Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys, and welcome back to another behind the sound video. My name is Adil, and today's video is all about the stunning SLS Black Series owned by Shmee150. You would have seen previous videos on our channel and on Shmee150's channel of the install or where we got up to. Today's video is a bit of a recap, showing you where we are up to, what we've got left to finish, and giving you guys a bit of an update. I know you guys have been waiting a while for this, but make sure you have subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. But also, guys, we also have a 10K giveaway. There's a full video, link is in the description, guys, so go make sure you go check that out, and actually comment as well. Let us know that you've actually done that and followed the rules for that, because there's a massive amount of prizes. You can actually have one of the amps that we've got, a very similar amp to the one that's actually in this car on that giveaway, plus a brand new PlayStation 5. In terms of the system, basically, why has the car had such a gap between right now and also the installs that we carried out way back when? Basically, we were waiting on a part. There's been a massive electronic chip shortage across the world, basically. So it's been a bit of a delay getting the car up and running back to us to get the sound system finished. However, we've now got tuning to do. We've got final kind of testing to do, making sure everything is inch perfect. There's not a massive amount to do, as you can see. A lot of the car is kind of back together now. So the A-pillars are in. However, we have now sourced an actual exact material for the actual A-pillars themselves. So they're going to be changing color. Then what we've got is the Audison Thesis tweeters. So you guys commented on previous videos to actually go through which color to go for, whether we were going to spray the Thesis tweeters silver or black. So we actually ended up, by your response, guys, so thank you very much for commenting, we've gone for silver. It blends in really, really nicely with the vehicle. Obviously, there are some other chrome parts in the vehicle, and it really does suit in and blend in the dash. It actually becomes a real nice feature point on that dashboard as well. They are obviously built on axis to build a far better acoustic environment for when Shmee150 is sitting in the vehicle, doing his tours, doing his awesome videos. He can listen to enjoy music now with the custom sound system. So that's basically on the actual A-pillar itself. And then what we've actually got there is then the 3-inch mid-range, which is the Audison Voce mid-range behind the seat. Then we've got the Audison Thesis sax in the actual footwell itself. There was a hell of a lot of work to get the Audison Thesis sax into that stock location. So we've got stock location at the back here, stock location in the footwells. However, we've moved the stock location for the tweeters, building them on axis, pulling them right up and giving you such a difference in actual clarity that you get from the system. It's literally unreal. So really, really nicely blended into the vehicle, and that's what we're about. We like to kind of relatively normally go for a stock look. However, when you want to go a little bit custom, we can do that, and that's why we focus on custom A-pillars quite a lot. You would have seen a lot of our Lamborghini installs that we do custom A-pillars on, just like we've just carried out for Wilfred's, our heart of Crystal Palace as well. So basically, that's a little bit of an overview of the actual speaker configuration in here. Then we're moving on to the rear shelf. The rear shelf houses 2 Audison Prima 8-inch subs and 3 amplifiers. Basically, those 3 amplifiers are providing not only digital processing power for us to plug in and tune the system from later on, but also what it's doing is providing a lovely amount of power to not only give you clarity at higher volumes, but also clarity at lower volumes. And that's what these systems are about. They're not about being loud, not necessarily outside the car. They're about being fine-tuned for the driver, for the interior, for the passenger in the vehicle. Anyone sitting in that vehicle will be immersed by sound, and that's where real difference comes from when you have a custom sound system by ourselves. So when we say custom sound system, it doesn't need to be everything on display or take up a load of room. It can be something that is literally just or custom behind the scenes, for instance, when we're doing a lot of installs. But overall, a really, really nice looking system. We've also integrated Android Auto. We'll be doing a full video on that probably separately, as well as some more behind the sound videos. So today's video, a little bit of an update about where we're up to, but please don't forget, guys, like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We do have that awesome 10K giveaway with some awesome prizes available for you guys to win. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you go check out the Shmee150's channel. Link is in the description for that, but also our channel as well. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Plenty more to come, guys. Look forward to seeing you soon.